In my last video, I showed you the preparation work that went into the sketch of my client's dog, Bella. If you haven't seen it yet, you can click somewhere here. In this one, I am going to walk you through the final painting and the techniques I used. For Bella's portrait, I chose to use the ultramarine rose color for the background and as an accent color for the painting itself. I like to start with the eyes. For me, the eyes are one of the most difficult and complicated parts of a portrait, and I want to have that done first before I continue with the whole painting. My favorite techniques are wet on wet and pointillism. Wet on wet is a technique that you wet the paper first with water or another color, and then you apply a color that it will dissolve in the water. Pointillism is a technique of painting in which small distich dots of color are applied in patterns to form an image. You can see very well here, I wetted the paper and now I am applying black and the ultramarine rose. The areas of Bella's face that are white, I leave unpainted. When I started painting with watercolor, white was a mystery to me. One of the things that you learn first is that in order to achieve the white, you have to leave the area of the paper unpainted. And in this case, it's a little bit difficult because it's really mixed with the areas that have color. So you have to be quite careful. For example, around like that area between the eyes. Also the area where the light hits the nose, I left without color. You can see the teeth is the same technique. You put the color around the areas which are white. Now I am using the technique that is called layering, and this is a technique in which you wait for the first layer to get totally dry and then you apply a second or a third layer to add another accent to your painting or more color. To see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell below. That way, you will be the first to know when I publish a new video. And there are lots of them to come on a regular basis.